Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Dear guys, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss an interesting topic and very useful in daily life, that is applications of trigonometry. As we know that we have studied in our social studies subject, the highest mountain peak in the world is Mount Everest. Its height is 8,848 meters. Is it? Not only that, in our Telangana state, Kuntala waterfall in Adilabad district, which is highest natural waterfall in our Telangana. Its height is 147 feet. However you find or however you measured these heights? Can you measure the height of your school building? Or can you measure the height of a tree which is in your school or around your school? Yes, we can estimate the heights by using the concept of applications of trigonometry. Let us understand this concept through some examples. Are you ready? A boy named Vijay wants to find the height of a palm tree. He tries to locate the topmost point of the tree. He also imagines a line joining the topmost point under his eye. This line is called line of sight. He also imagines a horizontal line from his eye to the tree. Here, the line of sight, horizontal line and the tree form a right angle triangle, is it? To find the height of the tree, he needs to find a side and an angle in this triangle. That's why we are using right angle triangles in trigonometry concepts, is it? Now, here if you observe, the line of sight is above the horizontal line, and here the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal line is called angle of elevation. It's the most important point. And if we consider the next situation, suppose you are standing on the top of your school building, and now you want to find the distance of object from the building on which you are standing. Here object is borewell. This object is on earth. Okay. For that, you have to observe the base of that object. Is it? Then here the line of sight will be below the horizontal line. So here the line of sight is joining your eye to the base of the object. So here the angle between the line of sight and horizontal line is called angle of depression. Here angle of elevation and angle of depression, these two words are most important in this chapter. Okay. Now here if you see the history of trigonometry, it has been used by surveyors for centuries. They use theodolites to measure angles of elevation or depression in the process of survey. In 19th century, two large theodolites were built by British India for the surveying the project Great Trigonometric Survey. In this process, during the survey in 1852, the highest mountain peak in the world was discovered in the Himalayas. From the distance of 160 kilometers, the peak was observed from 6 different stations, and the height of the peak was calculated. In 1856, this peak was named after Sir George Everest, who had commissioned and first used the giant theodolites, means big theodolites. Those theodolites are kept in the Museum of the Survey of India in Dehradun for display. So this is about the basic concepts of what is angle of elevation and what is the angle of depression and what is the importance of theodolites. We also can use clinometer to find the heights of buildings or any object like tree. Okay. So this is the today's class. I hope you are all clear about the concept of angle of depression and angle of elevation and what is the importance of clinometer or theodolite we have discussed. And in the next session, we are going to discuss problems based on this concept. Thank you.